If you're watching this, there's a good chance addiction is tearing apart the most important connection in your life, your relationship. Maybe the lies, the distance, the hurt. It all feels like too much. But you're not alone. And it doesn't have to end this way. Substance abuse doesn't just affect one person, it impacts the entire relationship. The trust gets broken, communication shuts down, resentment builds, and eventually, love turns into survival. Here's the truth. Healing is possible, and you don't have to go through it separately. At Couples Rehab, we help partners recover together through programs designed for both addiction and relationship repair. From detox to therapy, you and your partner receive side-by-side support, learning to rebuild trust, communication, and hope. Because real recovery includes healing the bond that addiction tried to destroy. If you're both ready for change, even if you're scared, that's all it takes to start. Don't wait for rock bottom. Don't wait until it's too late. Call us now at 888-325-2454 or visit couplesrehabs.org to speak confidentially with a treatment specialist today. You loved each other before addiction, and you can love each other again after recovery. You just have to take the first step. Together.